right, this is sponsored by Wifey's 2022 Toyota Tundra. Just started modifying this truck not too long ago. He's probably had it for a few months. It's sitting on 35s, King shocks front and rear with adjusters and reservoirs. The wheels on the truck are 17-inch Volk Racing TE37XTs, and they're 17 by 8.5, I believe, with a -10 offset. The tires are 35-inch BFG KO2s. Truck's looking pretty nice. A lot of guys are going 37s on this truck, but I think 35s look great. There's plenty of clearance, and it kind of maintains a different look because the truck, I feel, looks longer when it's on 35s, and when you put it on 37s, it looks a little chubbier and thicker, you know. But he also swapped out his front grille for a TRD Pro grille, and amazingly, that thing doesn't cost that much money. I believe he paid under $200 for that grille. It does not come with the LED light that the TRD Pro normally comes with, but Baja Designs does make a LED bar that fits right there with brackets, and you could get your running lights, your what people call the Raptor lights as well. We feel the truck looks awesome. Right now, the back is a little taller. The truck's got some rake because we just changed the springs to 200 series Land Cruiser springs, and they fit really well. It's definitely taller in the back because he's actually getting a camper. I'm not going to say what kind of camper yet, but if you follow him on YouTube, he's going to be talking about that. So the truck is set up for a little wait, and it will be getting it pretty soon. The Kings, hey Al, how much cranks do we do on the shocks?
Fronts,
yeah, the preload.
The passenger side we did 13 turns, and the driver's side we did 11 turns.
So we got 13 turns on the passenger side, 11 turns on the driver's side, and you know, we offset it based on how the truck leans or how it sits basically. And with this Tundra, the gas tank is on the passenger side, so that side usually will sag a little bit, so we do that so the truck could sit as level as it could be. But otherwise, let's see, we talked about suspension, wheels, tires. He also has a TRD skid plate, which it's not stock, but you can buy it. Add that on there. Fits that deflector no problem. Other than that, this truck is going to SEMA. I think, what else you got coming? Or that you could talk about?
I got the Baja Design lights coming.
All of them?
C4 bumper. I'm getting a C4 bumper as well.
Sweet.
And I think it's got a 40-inch cutout, so I'm gonna put a 40-inch S8 in there. And then the squadrons for fog lights, and then the XLs as ditch lights. And I was gonna get a roof rack, so I think I have the XL, not XL, the linkables.
Oh man, that's nice.
I think I have linkables coming, but I don't have a roof rack for that, so I got to see if I can mount it to the camper somehow. And then
yeah, keep talking while I just kind of pan through the suspension.
I think we're gonna get some Baja Design rock lights, and what else is left? The C4 sliders.
C4 sliders too. Nice.
And then in the back, I'm gonna build it out. I'm gonna have the Red Arc Red Vision Manager 30 kit. And as far as the power, I'm gonna have 2 Battleborn batteries, 100 amp hours each.
2 Battleborns. Okay, that's plenty of power.
Yes. And
so he's going lithium.
Yes, lithium. What else do we have? That's pretty much it.
So these are OME 2723 springs. On a 200 series Land Cruiser, these springs are rated at 0.75-inch lift, but because this truck is a little different than a Land Cruiser, I think we're close to like 3 inches of lift on this truck. So it's pretty nice. All right, I think that's pretty much it. Let's take another look at the truck.
other stuff coming too, but we can always do another walk around.
Yeah, we can do another one.
The final.
Yep. But I'll look forward to seeing the camper going on, and it's gonna look pretty cool.